Hi YouTube, my name is Emmett Stallworth, the Alpha Builder. I've been building a little over 20 years. I have over 20 years of experience in constructions. Made a lot of mistakes, got a lot of things right. Guys, if you're looking for knowledge on construction, residential, new construction, light commercial, if you guys are looking at subcontracting, sustainability, even if you're looking at the philosophy of construction and where we're trying to go from here, and the construction industry, especially the home building industry, this is the channel for you. This channel will help you out. It'll help you grow. I don't have all the answers. I have some answers. I've made a lot of mistakes. You guys can learn from my mistakes. You can talk to me and share your information with me, and I can learn from your mistakes. Let me say this right here. If you are overly emotional, guys, if you're that type of person who cannot value someone else's opinion of something, if you have issues with people being very direct to the point, this channel is probably not for you. But if you're open-minded, you guys want to grow your knowledge in building, this is the place to be. Enjoy this channel. Thanks.